turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your...
Hey YouTube fam, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl Raquel, and I'm back with another video. Oh, well, I guess I should have said Lilcutenurse. How y'all doing? I hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed Saturday. And yeah, I said Saturday because I plan on getting this video up tonight. Y'all, I gotta get this video up. This hair is so freaking cute. Let me back up. Welcome to the channel, y'all, and welcome back. If you've been here before, if you're new, welcome. If you don't like wigs, I get it. I love them. It's always been a part of my channel. Go way back 10 years ago. That's all I was doing. But anyway, let's get here. Let's get here. Come back. Stay focused, girl. Listen. HerGivenHair. Girl, let me just say, this video is not a bought and paid for video. They just said, hey, girl, we see you like wigs. You want to try one out? So I'm like, girl, yes. Okay, yes, send it. And girl, they hook you up. They hook your girl up, okay? Here is the box. I'll put a little video in to let y'all see the unboxing part of the hair. HerGivenHair. Thank you. Shout out to them. Now, the unit that I have on here, this is 13 by 1. It's got a right side part. It's Coily 3C4A hair. And y'all can see it's got that color. And it mimics my own hair, even though my hair ain't never been this thick, not even when I was a baby. But girl, this is pretty. And it looks so natural. And it's just in time for the summer months, y'all. You know you can't be wearing that stuff down your back. You're going to be sweating all down in your bra. So if y'all want to see the specs, the ins and outs of this pretty girl here, y'all, I can't keep looking at me because it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Keep on watching, okay? Before we get into the unit, the specs, I thought I'd show you guys. See how it is the color of my hair? And almost the texture, except mine, you know, it's not quite as thick. But I'm going to just show you guys how I go ahead and prep my hair before I put the unit on, okay? Okay.
When I'm with you, oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, Mayday, is that in it?
This is how she looks. She's been outside 2 days on a wig head, on this wig head in a stand. Look how natural that hair is. That is so pretty, and it's so soft. So I'm just going to put some oil on her, take some twist out, and let you guys get a look at what, you know what I'm saying, she looking like.
Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging. Let's just leave today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love.
This is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. And it mimics not only the color, but the texture, and it feels so freaking good. You get a really good amount of parting space. Can y'all see that? It goes pretty far back. And I didn't put any powder or anything on that part. That's just how the part looks, okay? You can fluff it out and make it bigger. Oh, it's so soft. You know, color usually makes hair hard and crunchy. This hair is it's just so soft. Very little shedding. Very little. Which you would expect from natural hair. I didn't glue it down. I didn't spray any spray. Look at my edges. Man, they so realistic. Look at that. Perfect match. Perfect. This hair is beautiful. Beautiful. If I wanted to, I would put some ebony spray on there, but I don't even need to. That's how pretty it is. I have a medium cap size. It is a little snug, but I'm afraid, I think a large would have been better because the ear tabs sit right here at my ears, but you know, that's a big head problem, not the unit's problem. Girl, this is pretty. This is so pretty. Of course, you know, you can twist the wig any kind of way you want it. If you don't want this to be a right side part, just twist the wig, you know. You can even twist it and make it a middle part. I just like that it's a right side part. Or you could order a left side part or a middle part, I'm sure. Okay guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all really like this hair. I'll put the link down in the description for HerGivenHair. And try to get a coupon code. You know, hopefully they'll grant us some leniency. It'll all be down in the description. And let me know what y'all think about this hair for the summertime. You hear me? Completely glueless. That means I can pop her on every morning, put her on a wig head, and pop her on. I'm talking, huh? I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head?